In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the header and footer on WordPress. We're going to do this directly from the WordPress dashboard using the built-in site editor, which is a simple way to manage global parts of your website layout. The header is usually the area at the top of your site where you'll find things like your logo, navigation menu, and sometimes a call to action button. The footer is the section at the bottom where you might have copyright text, links, contact details, or other useful information. To begin, go to your WordPress dashboard. This is the main admin area where you control your website settings, content, and design. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Appearance. This section contains the tools related to your site's visual layout and theme settings. After that, click on Editor. This will open the WordPress site editor, which allows you to customize different parts of your website visually. Depending on your theme, the editor may look slightly different, but the overall process is very similar. Once the editor opens, click on your project or site area to enter the editing workspace. This is where you'll be able to access the structural parts of your website and make changes to reusable sections like the header and footer. Next, go to the top left corner and click the plus icon. This opens the Inserter and Search panel, which helps you quickly locate blocks and template parts inside the editor. It's a useful shortcut, especially if you want to jump directly to a specific section instead of manually browsing through the layout. In the search field, type in header and footer. This will help WordPress display the relevant template parts or editable sections connected to those areas of your site. Take a moment here to make sure you select the correct result, especially if your theme includes multiple variations or reusable templates. Then click on the result you want. Once you do that, you can begin editing right away. You can update text, adjust layout elements, replace menus, or make other visual changes depending on what your theme allows in that section. If you're editing the footer, you might update links or bottom page content. If you're editing the header, you may be changing branding or navigation. As you make changes, it's a good idea to review everything carefully so your site stays consistent and easy to navigate. When you're done, make sure to save your work so the updates appear live on your website. That's it. You now know how to edit the header and footer on WordPress.